welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. First of all, we have the beautiful Queen of Wands. Then we have the King of Cups. It's lovely, isn't it? And then we have the Four of Swords, along with some other things that I'll share in a moment. Now, first of all, we've got a king and queen, so there may be something around mothers and fathers this week, so that might resonate with you. So the mother and the father, or it could be the feminine and the masculine, so they're right next to each other, so there could be some sort of balancing of the feminine and masculine energies. So you could have that in, you could have that in yourself. We could see that in the world as well, where there is some sort of balancing going on, the rising of the feminine to balance out what we've had of the masculine for sort of centuries. So let's have a look at more detail then. The Queen of Rods or Wands, she is very dynamic, very energetic, very charismatic. What I love about her personality is she's got total and utter belief in herself, who she is. She knows what she's about. She knows how to make things work for her. And for me as a reader, she's very much in line with her passion, with her bliss, with her heart and soul, her life's purpose, her life's mission. So for some of you, you might just be thinking about this week. Who am I? What am I about? Why am I here in this lifetime? You might be doing some work towards your life's mission. But it's a very motivating, very dynamic energy. And it's also an energy where it is able to draw things towards it, or she can do that very well. She can be very clear and focused with her intention. And then because she is such a ball of positive energy, she can draw it to her, so she's fantastic at manifesting. Get it out. I was going to say two words at the same time, though, manifesting. That often happens to me. It's I keep going to the place where there is no time, and so my words keep, it's almost like I'm trying to say 3 or 4 words at the same time sometimes. Anyway, very interesting. So she's very good at turning like the energy and the intention into matter, into things. So some of you might be doing some of that this week, or it's certainly open for you to start getting very clear about your intentions, about the life that you want to create. Right, okay, that's where this came in. Let me share with you this. This was a message they brought through in the preparation, and that's recreate yourself, recreate your life. And we're in that stage at the moment where, do you remember last week? It was like, don't go back, go forward, expand, think about who you want to be, who you truly are. And now is the time that you are beginning to recreate a new self, a new life. For some of you, maybe even a new purpose or a new mission. Because I get the sense for some of you, you kind of thought, right, yeah, going to do that. And now, because of everything we've been through and the incredible new energies and frequencies and vibrations, you're kind of saying, doesn't feel right anymore. It did a month ago. It doesn't anymore. And be aware that things are changing that quickly. You kind of thought, right, I've got an idea this week, next week. So we're still unfolding, but they are telling us during this week, start to get ready. What do you want the new you to be like, the new life? What do you want to experience? What emotions and feelings do you want to feel? So it's starting with recreating a new self now. The King of Cups is wonderful. As I said, it could be the father, or there's some relation to father type figures here. But this person is very loving, nurturing, giving. And maybe they're advising you, maybe they're supporting you, maybe they're listening. These are really good listeners, counsellors, coaches. There is a lot of love and compassion here with this person. So I am getting the word, keep over and over, compassion, compassion, love and compassion, love and compassion. So it may be that that's the sort of a bit, the thing that you need to adopt this week. So it's about being compassionate, being loving to people, being open to people, being transparent, maybe supporting and helping. Or equally, it could be the other way around. Someone is doing that for you. Yeah, love and compassion. It's a big one for this week. Love and compassion as you recreate your new self, they just told me. And the Four of Swords. Now, a couple of meanings here. First of all, for some of you, it's been an extremely stressful time, and they're just saying, do what you can to just see if you can take this down a little bit for your body, you know. When we're in heightened states of stress, it's not always good for us, is it? Which I know. So it's just do whatever you can to make yourself feel more relaxed, more calm, more centered, more grounded. Just maybe step back a little bit. But also there's a message here about going under the surface, going within. And I feel specifically they want me to link these together, where they're saying, as we recreate our new selves, our new lives, our new world, that's what we'll be doing. That's what we are doing, but we're even more so in the weeks to come. Go from a deeper place, go from your heart, go from deep compassion, go from your soul, you know, go from those deep places within you as you are recreating yourself and your new life. Now, this is interesting. I've got two angel answer cards. One says there's something better, and the other one, oh, let me get it in the right place, is let go. We've had this quite a bit, haven't we? The let go, the surrender. I think we had that last week. So yeah, they're just putting through to me, trust, open yourself, believe us, not just an external thing. When I say us, we are part of the us. We are one. So let go and trust this whole process that we started, that we, you know, there's parts of us that know exactly what's going on and exactly why it's happening. There's something better. This feels very much about, what we said last week. Don't go back. It feels like they want to keep saying that to all of us. Don't go back. Don't go back. You know, you deserve something better. As you are recreating a new you, a new world, a new environment, a new job, whatever it is, new relationships, new whatever, new lifestyle, really know that you deserve the absolute best as a child of God, as the divine. You are the divine, you are God. You deserve the very, 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 very best. So don't do any of that stuff that we used to do, where it was like, oh, I'm not worthy, I don't deserve it, I'll play it down, I'll just have a little bit. No, no, no. They're saying there is even more to reach for, there is even more to expand into. This feels like dream big. When you are doing this, dream big. You think it's big, dream again, think again, because the more we can expand our consciousness, expand our intentions, our thinking, our what we believe we can do, the quicker we will, you know, ascend, I suppose, and change our places. So it's think really high thoughts when you are considering who you want to be, you know, what you want for your family, what you want for where you live and how you live. Just think, you know, bigger. Okay, I was thinking here, let me just go one more step up and see what that feels like. Can I really recreate that? But this is what's starting to happen now, folks. We are recreating our own selves and lives and environment and world and universe, actually, because we are part of the one. Oh, so excited. Lots of love to you all, and thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next week.